Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the front sway bar links on this 2008 Mercury Mariner. This will be the same as a Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below? Really helps out a lot. First thing you need to do is break your lug nuts loose, jack up the vehicle, and take your wheel off. Alright, now what you want to do is put a wrench or socket on here and break this nut free until the stud here starts turning as well. And then you want to take an Allen head. This is a 5mm. I'm not sure if they'll have different ones for aftermarket or not, but 5mm hex head, stick it in there like that. And you'll use this to keep your stud from turning, and then you can turn that nut off from the stud. All right, when you got the top off there, just same process down at the bottom here. Break the nut loose, and then stick that Allen or hex key in the stud here, and then turn it out, and you'll be able to take the old one out. Alright, I'm having trouble getting that nut to break loose, and undoubtedly somebody else is going to have the same problem. That's where your 4.5-inch angle grinder comes in. You just slide it in here like that, and cut the stud right there. I'm going to cut it on this ball joint side versus the nut side because it'll be thinner. And you want to cut right as close to the sway bar as you can and cut right down through there. Okay, there we go. We got it cut out. We'll stick our new one in. I'll have links in the description below where you can get one of these on Amazon if you prefer, or if you want to go to a local parts store, I've got an affiliate link for Advanced Auto Parts in the description. So when you're putting this new link in, if yours comes with grease zerks, you want to make sure you put those in. And these usually come pre-greased, but if you wanted to shoot a little 1 squirt of grease in there, it's not going to hurt anything. Okay, a little tip for getting this to actually go in the hole once you've got the one side attached tight, is to get down here on the sway bar link with a pry bar, stick it under here, and then just push down to drive the sway bar link down, and then you can get that stud to go in the hole up here. So that's pretty much all there is to it there. Just finish tightening it down, then put your wheel back on. So if this video has been helpful, smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. And thanks for watching.